The science of industrial instrumentation is a rather broad area that deals with the measurement, evaluation and control of process variables such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, fluid level, force, light intensity and humidity. Without question, instrumentation has always been a vital component to the business of industry, and today it is so more than ever with such compelling need for automation. For over 3 decades, SWITZER Instrument has held the unique position of being the pioneer and leader in several areas of instrumentation in the country. From its very inception, SWITZER has had only one focus: quality. This has been the cornerstone, the mantra, and the reason for SWITZER's success. The best way to demonstrate this is to list the various achievements and approvals that SWITZER has notched up. Introduced flame-proof pressure switches, the first Indian company to do so. RDSO's approval for its products. Obtained Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization's approval for flame-proof enclosures. R&D facility was approved by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Bureau of Indian Standards approval for flame-proof enclosures. Differential pressure switch approved for LOCA applications by Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Products approved for use in nuclear power plants. Products have satisfied the qualification norms for seismic and helium leak tests. Pressure switches supplied for cryogenics plant of second launch pad of ISRO. Products approved for submarines of Defence Research and Design Organization, Government of India. ISO 9001-2000 accreditation by Underwriters Laboratories since 2002. Underway to obtain ATEX and CE approval. And the list goes on. Research and product development at SWITZER is a serious activity. Led by a qualified team, R&D performs re-engineering and develops new products. SWITZER constantly monitors, by feedback from its sales officers and its customers, the direction to take its products. Prototypes are made and the team evaluates the product before it is put to field tests. Such an approach has resulted in a wide range of products. SWITZER's products fall into 2 categories, namely electromechanical, mechanical products, pressure and DP switches, temperature switches, DP and draft indicators, flow switches, flow element delta tube, electronic products, pressure transmitters, electronic pressure switch, digital temperature indicators, controllers, level transmitters, level switches. SWITZER has put into place a very advanced and efficient production facility. Equipped with CNC machining capabilities, coupled with well-trained operators, the shop floor at SWITZER manufactures the large range of components, assemblies and sub-assemblies needed. The critical stainless steel diaphragms and bellows are TIG welded in specially imported welding machines in an inert gas atmosphere to avoid oxidation of weld joints. The result is finer and superior welding. In addition to online quality checks by the technicians themselves, hourly checks by quality inspectors and random double checking leave absolutely no room for defects or error. SWITZER has established a list of approved vendors. SWITZER supports the vendors by providing them with quality raw materials and in-house manufactured dies. The components supplied by the vendors are checked for compliance and then passed on to the assembly area. The organization operates with computerized order-to-cash ERP cycles. Based on orders on hand, the computers prepare the kit list. The well-stocked stores issue the pre-assembled kits and other components to the assembly tables. Here, highly qualified and experienced personnel assemble the switches and instruments. SWITZER's products are meticulously assembled by qualified staff trained in quality procedures. The products are available in both weatherproof and flame-proof castings for use in all types of hazardous conditions. The assembled instruments are then passed on to the calibration bay, where they are calibrated against standard gauges. SWITZER's range of pressure instruments also includes differential pressure indicators and switches to measure flow in pipes and across critical filters in the process line. The instruments are capable of being integrated with control systems. For remote sensing in corrosive or thick and pulpy mediums, SWITZER has designed special chemical seal pressure switches and differential pressure switches. Today, SWITZER has the distinction of offering the widest range of pressure switches in the field of instrumentation worldwide, over 14,000 combinations from a single source. In temperature switches, SWITZER offers both solid and vapor-filled thermal systems. All thermal systems are manufactured in-house and temperature calibration is done using calibration baths, including fluidized bed bath. Deeply aware of the critical usage of its product, quality at SWITZER is not an isolated control but an all-pervasive culture. SWITZER's reputation for quality reflects the commitment of its people, skilled, dedicated and ever on the alert like the instruments they help to build. To ensure consistent and absolute precision in calibration, all calibration gauges are periodically checked against master gauges in the standard room. SWITZER's electronic division is working towards design and manufacture of fully electronic instrumentation. With the process industry beginning to move towards this type of instrumentation, SWITZER realized the potential of the market and established the electronic product division. These instruments are manufactured from designs originating from SWITZER's R&D. SWITZER has widespread sales, service and distribution offices. They are strategically located to be able to support its customers from various industrial segments. The instruments manufactured by SWITZER have earned a reputation of fail-free service. This is well demonstrated by the 0.05% statistics for repaired under warranty and beyond warranty. SWITZER's strength is the customer base with over 2,000 plus customers. A brief list demonstrates the depth of SWITZER's industry penetration. SWITZER, efficient, reliable, focused on tomorrow while being leaders today.